extra time.
इससे समझाओ।
विन ग्रिप टेक्नोलॉजी कुछ इस तरह सीमेंट को ग्रिप करता है बिल्कुल टाइट।
SRMB TMT champions की पसंद।
The first game it was a little bit of overconfidence, and for the second game it was a complete lack of intent.
Yeah, it is a big disappointment. We never expected this today. We thought the first match was probably an aberration. It just happened. But today, the way the team batted, total disaster.
The reason why the 2007 World Cup, which we won under Dhoni, was because some of the seniors decided not to participate. Now the time has come where the seniors have to decide that the baton needs to be passed to the young guns who have shown their mettle in the IPL.
2 घंटे में डिलीवरी, विश यू अ स्पीडी रिकवरी। कोई भी दवा अब नहीं करो मिस, दवाई चाहिए ASAP तो बस एक
अपोलो 24/7 डिलीवर करे आपकी पूरी प्रिस्क्रिप्शन सिर्फ 2 घंटों में।
Well, it was on that day. It was the cricket that won. Pakistan played a better game than India. Although I'm an Indian, I'm a supporter of India, but Pakistan was very good on that day. Getting beaten by 10 wickets is not easy, and the game was won by Pakistan in the power play. Same was the situation today. We lost 3 wickets in the power play, and the game was almost over for us. We could not revive, and then Virat Kohli was under pressure. We lost him. We were just giving catches to the 3 people at the third man. So the game was almost lost on that day as well.
I didn't see the spark in Indian team today, so I don't know why, but could have been better.
Would you say that power play made the difference for India today?
Yeah, I think power play made a big difference, as New Zealand fielding during the power play was so strong that they couldn't make any runs, and after India made runs, after New Zealand's power play, India messed up very badly.
Yeah, it is a big disappointment. We never expected this today. We thought the first match was probably an aberration. It just happened. But today, the way the team batted, total disaster. Total disaster.
Would you say it was a lack of intent on the part of the Indian cricketers?
There was no intent. There was no, I would say, pressure, body language that they wanted to come and score runs, that they wanted to win. It was as if there's fatigue of IPL probably. They're all too tired and probably happily waiting for the next auction where they all can get big bucks.
The first game it was a little bit of overconfidence, and for the second game it was a complete lack of intent. We couldn't convert the ones into twos. A lot of dot balls. I think excessive amount of dot balls were played, and we just limped to the score of 110 so easily. I think even a weaker team can somehow manage to put 130, 140, but I think it was a below par performance, and I think New Zealand deserved to win, and doesn't look like we will be able to compete with other teams as well. So overall a disappointing performance.
So T20 requires a major overhaul. The reason why the 2007 World Cup, which we won under Dhoni, was because some of the seniors decided not to participate. Now the time has come where the seniors have to decide that the baton needs to be passed to the young guns who have shown their mettle in the IPL, and that's the way to go. I mean, you have these people like us who are spending money, who are spending emotions and supporting the team. We need something in return, isn't it?
I think the lesson to be learned here is that form does matter, and we saw that out of form players we had we persisted with Hardik Pandya completely off color. I think so easily there are deserving players in the IPL who could have made the cut. Harshal Patel was an automatic selection, so was Chahal. I think it was a good move to send Ishan today, but it backfired. But at the same time there could have been other changes. Ashwin should have been playing with the experience that he has. Varun Chakravarti absolutely raw, maybe a mystery spinner, but I think 2 of the best teams sorted him out. So I think overall, I think we need an overhaul, and we need form players to play in the next tournament, even if it's not the World Cup.
Very disappointing, poor show, bad body language. Right from the toss, it looked like they'd given up. Losing the toss meant that they gave up.
Would you say that it was a lack of intent on the part of the Indian cricketers?
I would say so. I would agree with that.
Yeah, they did look tired. It was very apparent because they've been playing non-stop, living in a bubble for the last more than 15-16 months, bubble after bubble, playing one after the other. They've been just traveling in a suitcase. So it was apparent that there's no intent, and BCCI had played its part in creating havoc. with all the rumors about captaincy, Virat stepping down from captaincy, I think there was something more than that in the dressing room which has created that.
I would say that they have not come out of the defeat of from Pakistan defeat. They didn't come out of it, and the body language was not okay. We play spin very well, but we couldn't play the spin very well. They played us very well actually.
Extra time. Extra time.